what are the benefits of filing return of income?
Well, see, this is a very important question for people to know, because people are generally of the opinion that ठीक है यार, मेरा पैसा नहीं लग रहा, मैं कुछ कमा नहीं रहा हूँ, या मैं उतना नहीं कमा रहा हूँ जितना इनकम मेरे को रिटर्न दिखाना है. हाँ. Now there are two concepts into this. One is paying of taxes and one is filing your returns. Paying of taxes and filing of returns are two distinct concepts, right? What people do is they generally have the opinion कि यार मेरे को तो टैक्स देना पड़ जाएगा रिटर्न लगा के. It's not like that. Filing of return is just a declaration to the government that this is the income which I've earned. May it be a loss, may it be below the taxable amount.
Okay.
Right. So filing of return has to be done. आप उसको करो, गवर्नमेंट को आप दो, उससे आपके क्या बेनिफिट होते हैं इज नंबर वन, every person is in requirement of finances, of money, right? Whenever you need money from the financial institutions, they will always ask for the income tax returns, your financial statements. Whoever you are, if you're a company or an individual, doesn't matter, but they will always ask for a financial statement and your income tax
ITRs for 2 years,
ITR, and that too for 3 years,
right?
For the last 3 years,
right? Absolutely
right. तो ऐसा भी नहीं होगा कि आपको कल लोन चाहिए और आप आज खाली 1 साल का रिटर्न लगा दिए. That is not possible. So every year you need to do that, and that does not mean you need to pay your taxes. Number two, if a person is wanting to going abroad for whatsoever reason, he again for the visa application needs, and number three, it is always a duty for a person. अगर मैं notional ground में बात करूं, it is always a duty of a person to declare what income he is earning. May it be taxable or not, that is a separate issue. So filing of return is really important.
Okay. And what is the basic amount for this taxable amount?
This is 2,50,000 for individuals.
Or
basic. And then again, it depends on the age groups and if a person is a senior citizen or not, so the limit increases.
Can a return be filed after due date?
Okay. See, generally a due date, when the due date comes, you need to file your returns before that, right? Obviously, it can be filed for some time after the due date. That is known as belated returns, right? उसमें क्या होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपका ड्यू डेट सितंबर है और आप सितंबर तक नहीं दिए हो रिटर्न, या आपका आप जुलाई तक रिटर्न नहीं दिए हो, then what happens is that entire process you can do it till March, but again there is a late fee on that.
Okay.
दिसंबर तक किए तो might be 5,000, दिसंबर के बाद किए मार्च तक तो 10,000, उसके बाद you will not be able to file return. So for a certain time, via payment of extra late fee, you can obviously file your returns.
Okay. Suppose someone does this, latency in filing the return after crossing the date also, March also, right? Then what happens to that person?
अब नहीं लगा सकता. पहले के रूल के हिसाब से the gap was 2 years, जब तक आप लगा सकते थे, but now you cannot put it after that financial year.
So what is the solution of it then?
Then you have to forgo that return. आपका वो रिटर्न नहीं लगेगा, and then again आपको लोन के लिए अप्लाई करना है तो again आपको 3 years वहां से स्टार्ट करना होगा.
Oh my God. Okay. Like you have to start the process from a beginning.
Again, beginning.
तो सेम नाम से बिगनिंग शुरू हो सकती है और दे हैव टू चेंज द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी?
नहीं, सब सेम नाम से सेम कंपनी का अगर होता है, and if you don't file your returns, so you will be liable for penalties.
Okay, every month or every year.
Right. You will have to file it every year.
Okay. So this is really very important, guys. File it on proper time to save the fines, late fees and all. So
correct.
Very recommended and highly recommended to consult with the CAs and on the regular basis to understand how to file all these things, because it will make your file more stronger and it will benefit you in multiple ways in the coming time. All right. So Mr. Vinay, just tell me one thing. As a chartered accountant, what is your role as a whole?
Wow. So this is a very nice and a tricky question, I must say, Prasanjit. And see, if this is the question, I can go on and on answering this. Maybe for 1 hour, 2 hours, that won't be suffice to answer this particular question. That what is a role of a chartered accountant, right? But now what I'll say here is, I'll just answer this in a very nutshell, very crisp. There are people who are earning a lot of money. They are making a lot of money. To mobilize that money, to channelize that money and to save, you need a chartered accountant. Again, there are people who don't have money, but they require money. Again, to require money, to mobilize that money, you need a chartered accountant. So I'll answer in just one word: wherever authenticity, and monetarily things are involved, you need a chartered accountant.
Okay, superb. You have explained it in a very simple language for a
Yeah.
layperson like us and all, because it's a huge industry and it's a huge word. These two words have got a complete entire universe inside it. So this is an advice: if you are earning, if your income is good enough, then definitely you must consult to properly channelize your money so that you can be benefit, and the society can be benefit, the government can be benefit at all. And if you require money for your business, for your personal blah blah, there are lots of things. Then again, you need the help of a chartered accountant, because he will guide you. He can properly teach you and advise you where and what to do and when to do. So these are really very important things and all. What kind of message you would love to give to individuals and business owners?
Okay. To all the viewers, to all the individual, to all the people who are into business, running some kind of business or making any kind of money, earnings, your salary, doing anything, what I would advise you is earn money, do everything, but at least consult a chartered accountant before channelizing that, before mobilizing that, before filing your taxes. He will be the right person to guide you how to save taxes. See, because there is a difference between tax savings and tax ka chori karna. There is different in that.
Right.
So the chartered accountant will go for tax saving, tax planning, and not evasion of taxes. Right. So have a word with your chartered accountant. Consult a chartered accountant. You will find yourself better for the next year. It's as simple as that.
Wow, superb, superb. That's was really fantastic and a very short one and very simple to understand.
Mhm.
Thank you so much for your valuable time that you came to Living Healthy 24 and shared your wisdom, your knowledge to understand exactly about the role of yours, about the role of the chartered accountant, and why a chartered accountant is very important for every individual, why it is important for the business owners, entrepreneurs. So this is really very important. Thank you so much, Vinay, for giving your time. Thank you so much for coming up.
Thank you so much, Prasanjit. Thank you. Thank you, Living Healthy 24.
This is Prasanjit, author, motivational speaker, and business bompreneur. Today, the guest was Mr. Vinay Chowdhary, chartered accountant, and we had a lovely time, lovely knowledge from him. So, guys, stay tuned to our channel. We are coming up with more information, more interviews in the coming days. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to Living Healthy 24.